Pavel Andreyevich Fedotov was born July 4, 1815, died November 26, 1852. He was an amateur Russian painter. He was only 37 years old when he died in a mental clinic. He has been compared to William Hogarth. He initially used both pencil and watercolor to produce his works, though began to develop a more mature medium by changing to painting with oils in 1846, completing a number of pieces using the new medium, most notable the newly decorated Peaky Bride and Untimely Guest were full of the satire and critique surrounding the then-current social and political order. Fedotov's works were recognized as a new word in art at the exhibition of 1848 in St. Petersburg and brought the painter success that promised his prosperity and, hence, the possibility to continue his work.